Yes, wisdom. A good thing. Association. Immune Association. Immune Association. Now we do for this broadcast today. Now immune na so you the cash everybody body like what to like say tomorrow no day. Now so they drag body like a pass my neighbor generator. Now I can't no say all these they are dragging na content that they use on the crate. They use how they pack money and stuff. Now I make what they host on, they know they leave there for waste. Mammy to one a while around. What continue? What continue? Yes, so because sometimes I go just the man of verse. No say if you don't say you are new to this platform, this is Princess Ivie Eriyo, aka the leader that lead all leaders, the leader that lead with wisdom, aka as a mama sister BG, as a mama with a reason. Yes, son, I mean the runner. Anytime I'm going to vatin and I know they get time, no space. In your boy busy, you know. So no says it's more than almost 5 days. I never enter live video. Consider, you know. If I say now obey Wednesday, now they do this live video. One of verse one. So me pardon ma. Today where I call now obey where I be. Although I don't go walk come back, you know. Just that I say I not do double shift. And say this time we Sunday, so you go opportunity to walk. Anyhow you want to walk. Once school don't start, you would even get off of bed. They had you would follow. I can't drag. Even when alarm will wake you say. Alarm will wake you and you say. My God, with a child. I mean, only you go hear the talk, you know. If you are your husband, this I beg you ask you, baby, what is this? I've been living, let me go. Like cousin, yeah, you. How you guys doing? I've really missed you guys, you know. In it. Who don't say miss me? May raise up your hand. I want you to miss me. If you don't say you miss me, give me star. If you don't say you don't miss me, no worry. If you don't say you miss me for TikTok, Hello, Jay.
Hello, Mama.
Hey, Jay, what's up?
Where's the lesson?
Kaje, Alpha.
Where's the? I do.
Mele.
Oh, Mama. You go to my dance.
Ah, so. You can't explain part in there. But you don't have skin shall go and finish it.
Okay, no, Mama.
All right. So, like as I was saying, I've missed. If you don't say miss me for TikTok, just go to that button, just press one thing. Anything you like, you're the person they give me. If you not style, you they give me one. If I like your thing, just they give me anything you say one give me with miss me, just they give me. You say mind your business, join. You see person name mind your business. They don't have my person business for this social media on a winner association, no. So I couldn't work out the go for Sasiki I got to see the glass boss for TikTok not be here now. See, I want advice many people I don't know what to carry the go that TikTok. If you see the way they are announced open. Why izzy or moruye? You see for this life. Even the you know, some people you want fear when they say, and ladies are raw, yeah, mad. It's fun what fear you know. But why use a precaution when me saga, saga. So anybody not there because of a saga when they go who know it because the broadcast not just he only want to put something here so that then I'm going to fear now, you know. So now I come across the message where Monica, the video where Monica do for this finances. I don't say finances I don't buy. Finally, she don't buy. I mean, I know say she must buy because why? She know the pence is too much for her. and the facility is not there, flying out, the pain, the stress, the thinking, go the high. So I know say she no go survive, and even the way he started talking, that even think that they say sister never go there, go see the condition of his sister. I mean, many audio secretly they play come on, nobody don't want carry me come because their matter not too much you do me. And I see the one very dark man, I see talk. That one doesn't call put you first. I say make anybody. Muna carry me the shop. And my hungry sisters, Muna carry. I don't worry, but that YouTube. Oh, piaka, oh, fear. Yes, he has done well. Leaving the Facebook and TikTok and the other one Instagram Muna carry. Said that YouTube, tubu. Say man not touch them. Anybody no good. They not carry cut it, go put for YouTube. Take the shop money. I just that's how I go do my YouTube now. I go see. I go on my manager for YouTube. Even my Facebook stuff. I go on all of the down. Anybody will just shop because it was a kind of video. They'll give me copyright. If I play music, they'll give me copyright. So the thing I do, they copyrights me. They go. So I don't they worry. Couldn't be at the feed. But me, I will go copyright my TikTok, Facebook. You don't have to carry my video. I don't say you no carry. And if my content will do your page, I go make sure say I take the money. They come with me at least monkey. They walk me about the shop, So I go even carry your video. Go they insult you, journal. In it. So all these things that what we would talk about with the toslizer inside self, So now I call Waka Jam. Where's the person you be or why me away you? So this life, you not get what they call when they go back. Everything that have as beginning has an end. Anything where get beginning, get end. Some people then they say if you don't even carry their picture put for this, they'll copyright to common picture. So, about this hungry. So I could see many things. So now I say, okay, make a fair top slice. This Monica or me I see. Now make me write it all in one basket, So when we see what it happen. We'll check this funeral sister first. Now this Aproko.
Now one person first say begin go Italy today.
Oh yeah, let's listen.
That one not be people wait on. Dangote people. Dangote group. I am telling you, especially in the doorstep, don't pay them. Before you know they're gonna push your picking for your motor. You not there. Now one person they start wanting Yahoo.
Okay. Monica say make Dangote not pay anybody where it trailer buy or where the same what has to them and they say the trailer don't buy full family again. The Dangote when me know all the Dangote trailer, the drivers they don't get driver's license. Now all those boys where they talk colors, Miss Muslim children. Before that Dangote, even the time where decades with the time where they go nuts, when they trade, where they sell cows. Now this same Dangote have been a flower me. Now Dangote na flower me. Now that Dangote where they carry 33 cow, 30 cow, big one and they carry rich. Now they use that. So people go sit down on top. People will go markets. They'll sit down on top of the trailer. Nobody. Now these advanced people that they drive at that time, they don't know what they call colors. You see this generation where call so in fact, no one your washers for them. Even 16 years, 12 years, all of them they take random. Get them some part of children with the cash yesterday, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years. Even the 11 years, 9 teach the 12, 15 years how to take circle. They said that they call the thing circle. Not be evil scholars again, they call this one circle. 11 years old child. We this generation, mothers of this generation, they don't fail. All because of social media. Because of this social media, some mother don't care about their children again. They say that TikTok the rain. I don't know how much TikTok won't give you. Now you people have failed your responsibility. As a mother, you people have woefully failed. Even some mother who their children they cry for food, they know they care again. So go just carry this, they go the look. You go get 7 phone. they go to watch saga. They go leave their children. So go forget their children for school. So go forget their children for hot. So go forget their children for supermarket. So go forget their children for swimming pool before you fall for water. But they not go know because of social media, because of this picking media meat where they just throw as they throw food for dogs. Where all of them begin to bite. Where be say some of them neglect their opportunity. Yeah? So right away, now say back up tell them make them wake up from their sleep. So now they tell their children come from school to even ask them their own work. How they work out. They don't care. They don't care. They don't care again. So far, they your break, your see they do your maths. They say me maths. Then you hear for their maths. Me maths. Now you gonna hear for their maths. The maths, the maths.
Hello, now who tell you say it's all these times? Because although me I never really get chance enter all the rooms and toilet they finish. I wonder why they go put 5.
So all of them don't neglect their
Yeah, come and greet us, mama, with a live video call. Yeah, come and greet mommy. Yeah, come and greet mommy. Oh, yeah, say mommy, labo, kada. Oh, yeah, say something good. Oh, yeah, say something, kada, mommy. Oh, yeah, say something. Oh, yeah, say something, kada, mommy.
Kada, mommy.
Per forza, no? Come stai? Dimmi.
Come stai? Dirà bene.
Bene.
Come stai, mamma? Dirà mamma come stai?
Che?
Bene, te. Bene, grazie.
Dove vuoi, mommy?
Oh, yes, why yes? Oh, igual me here.
Lo faccio wait to try to malare. Oh, ma che non avete di matto, ma ok. Ma ya trovo fa vai, ma ya trovo kaka voi ya fefe we ya do, ma ya fefe wa.
Luis, AJ.
No, Papa. Come on, ma.
My wife. Me wale la video ni we wa gwali meni, we gwali meni.
Beh, lo sei ben code. No, ma è vero Bible vita. Ya me do ya from un tuo che cosa ni na te che cosa ni.
No, Papa. You can't wear.
Girl gwa mi enwa, o wa look here. Girl. Una wo kan no wa look here. O wo di lagwa. Gwalo me wa bele le la video ya to ya gara no hi the life.
Nobody buy a discount.
Ma wa se no wala wa ko. Wa be mo do. All right. So that's why I don't see. So because of this social network, I see many more that they don't fail. They don't fail already. And when I see those children, 11 years old, they teach 14 years old how to take random, abina, circle, they call that thing, they say they call it. I download that, go post them. So I can't say this generation don't fail. Apart from that one, it gets some Wolums, guess that way they reign now for Nigeria. They are from 12 years, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Highest could be 20. And their leader could be 17 years, then they lead all leaders for them. What did they do? They're gonna be man or gonna do this with men, you know. All of them current one room or one flat together. Now they'll come out for their mother house, they'll come out for their papa's. They'll travel, so they will travel, come out for Benin, go Port Harcourt, Calabar, whatever, because of this hunger we don't in Nigeria already. So which we everybody don't know, no problem. But the thing where they pay me, now the neglectly, where our mothers and our parents don't they face. I know they blame them because Papa don't see food give pikin. Even for Nigeria, I say, oh, now you go see one man go do mama do pikin. Yes. You go do mama before. When you call drop him, mama go see pikin. You go say, I like this your pikin. You go say, no, my pikin. You go say, no, cannot be money. I'll give you. Then when mama go call back, you call tell the pikin, say, that baba, that mama, that the one say like you. And you go see him. You go do him after I don't finish with mama, go start with the pikin. Because of our lendings. So, me, when they watch some kind, when they beat one girl, when they got a beat one girl yesterday, I don't know when they beat her. If you see her, now the one they blood get for her, beat her, got that beat, when they call got that beat, they punch her to no sense. They beat pennies come up for your body. And I make her your baby. And she said she need justice. She don't cry, go me very dark man. Okay. She need justice. Good. They've naked the girl. Hit her for kpekus. Bo. Puncture where we use lead. Hit her for kpekus. Up with kpekus on the video. Put her for social media. And I like, do you know why I like it that way? All the children should learn from it. All the children, when they come up, when they learn. But they not go learn. They say they rock come for us. On and last. On and last, that's all of them. They rock come for us. They don't pursue them. Not say that they're hungry. Who put come for us? I said. Even the time when the rain they come. When are they rain? Me now so when are they grow up? Now make me. I feel stay one place. God I beg. When are they grow up? All my mates, all of them try to finish. All of them, all of us start life. So go let God go do a shower. So go but Ibadan. So go Port Harcourt. So go Nenemi. I did my house. I don't move. I tell this. They go say come back, come meet me for some market. Say borrow me money. Because me, I got to do my market. They go. It must so we walk. Or see I bet the dinner here we get. Don't be seen a cost shop and they glow. If we again let me again meeting we glow for national peace to reign. I must glow. And I must do yaga. And any man who I want married today, he go, in fact, he should be the luckiest man on this earth. That is the truth. He should be the luckiest man on this planet Earth. Say me greet to marry. What want marry? What want marry? I tell you. Make her if they break her say and a couple lead down for grant, give her food or which one or make it a touch me no now. I'll go buy a bomb rubber. Put for side bed. Make the touch me for there. If not that one, because I don't fit for it. Yes. You know, some people feel not fit stay for with that, they not even do live video for one day. So they do 10 times a day, so they do 20 times a day. So just to call engagement. So that they go abandon all 3 other things what they're supposed to do. Make una begin poor for our children. You see, get one where I see. You see, get one where I see. Thank you. You see, get one where I see. Small picky of maybe 3 years. Within that range. Boy and again, 2 of the day within that range. Now, so, he fought the girl home. Then the boy all called the back, the shukushuku on, I know what you use on me. I said, this thing, you see, this Jay-Z generation, it not go work. And they tell them, it not go work because many things they follow, they go, we say, we not even know. This is taking our attention away from our children, from our offspring. This social media is taking us backward. It's not even exposing us. It's not taking us anywhere. Say because that's anything happen, social media awareness then increase, but it's more than that. This media is being controlled by Sapeta spirits. I used to tell you guys around the year. You see this share once you sit down, put your camera, so can't comment with your call, you don't change, and which is not even supposed to be. No matter the comment what you see, if you don't feel you add to that comment, let it go. Just face what you come for. If you change your topic, do everything, then you could do like people where they all live for Yaba Tech. Not be view selu or too small. That person could have been like person just come from Yaba Tech. Wanna double tap, wanna share this live screen for me. You understand me? They go come black people they release from Yabatek. They lose it. Most especially people in Nigeria. And even here in Europe. Now you go see say they'll say Papa they do vaga picky. No hear one recently. What they say Papa give me picky belly. No hear recently for this social media. Or no hear the one picky they sleep with your mama. For this media. No we will not go see. Yeah. Recently, papas, they do the vaga you picky. They do the vaga you. For you to know say this Jay-Z generation will come is a no-no. It's a no-no to me. And I so much thank God for people who are busy, they don't quit them. Oh, this one Jay-Z generation will be saying even mama with their husbands see they sleep around. They don't care. So every day with their husband for side bed, they will tell your husband, pack baby bed, will carry my entire house. When you come blood finish, we say the same bed where you with your husband they sleep. If the man doesn't come out, that's what the woman will say, my bed, they don't love you ever. Where? Hello? I don't see many. Many. If you even go your platform safe, you go see many where they carry conjures for them. So that you go tired. I will listen to something. I will come out and say, God have mercy. Who get head don't get cap? Who get head? You don't get cap. Who get cap? You don't get head. Who get nyash? Don't use on sit down. It is obvious. What is the apple for this our new Jay-Z generation? It is the underside. When they flog this girl finish. The girl that could start to fly everywhere. I don't even get herself. They don't say that can give me our kajama. I say, hey! How old is this girl? 17 years. What do they do? Akuna, shawa, unsha. The girl that they do akuna, shawa, unsha. They go. We be say friends like that bitter. I like us a bitter. She don't need justice because she don't sit down for us. I for beg very dark man beg. All these children they need to learn it the hard way. Now be used to me they learn it the hard way. As they beat her now, nobody care. She herself go fear for her life. So like she joke by daddy don't go. She not go repeat time again. She go fast. She want to go back as good talk good life. We should not seek justice for them anymore. All these our children when they say they know they hear. No justice for them. No justice. That's the truth. We should not give them justice anymore. Because by the time we start to give them justice, just like what Monica talk for this video now say, before you know, now so they are not going to push their children for side that go to motor. Push them. And I take sense of that thing. You go say, get what they can work here. Or what bewa. Our you now this generation now we know say, children they use their mama they do rituals. 17 years, that's what they are for being that. 16 years, he buy mama take do money finish. He called the sleep with him, mama. Body we don't go. 16 years old child. 16 years old child. See, this Jay-Z generation, one of the bonbon so, when they bonbon do as you like. And repercussion. None of the see. So we say, karma. Karma is a bastard. Now they come so. None of the see so. Karma. None of the see so. I'm way back, but I'm not Karma. None of the see so. I ever said it. I'm going to play that video. I said they're going to push your children. So that go to go they pay they go. See the way Finn and they betray very dark manner. It is said they will give her 1 billion. Now this is a dark man. Everywhere don't sees. Easy but they don't carry the matter forward. I don't know what she want to use the matter to do. I just to do content. She not get what she want to use the matter to do. I have to call engagement. Carry the money and task. I don't know. Who say no I'm not going to pour on for what he pass on for this social media. Many people don't go pour on for mortgage. Now to drag people, they make money at the end of the month, so they send them to pay mortgage. Now go help all of them. See, all this money for don't make her finish. We there with the wash. We not they go anywhere. Even though now once in a week I take come out, I can't talk like this. Now we see my fine chocolate face. See, you see my face, I'm stressful because of work, you know. And where they transfer me go, not be here. Oh. I thought I was a crown so for your information, you know. I just do first this thing and just come back because where they carry me go now. I mean the head down, I mean the shit like and I mean the head to that place. You know, see, it's not easy. Not be even my state, even my city at all. They carry me go another city entirely. It's stressful for me, stressful. So if I work on the user, they work on they get money when they break. See attitude. See my brother I paid Jebo. Yesterday 1 o'clock. I jam for online. I said, Jesus Christ, what is happening? And now I said that here until they strobe blow. I go work again. I said they shout for that. I said, I don't know, so now here until get fight, you know. Tell us, I want us when this social media go get peace. Me, this video don't pass 1 hour. Me, I don't get time to. I know you get us at the end of the week. I also go bath like Ghana now. I just want to. Just bath, sleep. I want to do pom, just do chicken pommes, put nuggets. Now when you don't eat, I say you enter your survey, your chop pad, and here we go they hungry me with a goosey soup. I come miss out with ogbeide. Just cut this. Ah, God, you gonna say kaki no be leather. You gonna say money too good. You good food. Now good eto. So no listen.
Now one person use the mama to chop money, do ritual for Bini. All of the finish, they almost finish their mama.
No be lie. No be they talk just now. Now one person I start initiate order. One person I start they use their mama they shop money. The remaining people begin to test and they go. I said that one 16 years old child. Like my mama carry mama put for a room for 7 days. They do the fact that mama we don't buy. They say that so they say me to take do me take their money. Hello. Now one person they start something. I rock back with not your do back. Mostly beneath people, my door people. One stop. One never live. One stop. Only listen.
Now one person first say begin go Italy today. Go check any as if they see as well they don't spend 7 Italian.
You not there.
As you want start on the pay the billion for person when enter your motor. Now they say oh those states they go the pay extra picking now. One where they go to put for front of your motor make you come the pay. You know that anything when they do the like it, they go over to one. Thank God.
That is in fact. And because even for Europe now where we did Germany here back. Make I use Benin talk this one in case of enemy guideline. Germany not ma wajena Ihui mati Ivie Eriyo jesho ni vinyame himbeshile. Yes. Ti Ivie Eriyo lo dene binyame hama. Ndata weke mwane. Omone beshile jele we bonatori be ba mostly viedo. Because if you are a boss soon, if you are a boss or soon kini. Ira ma viedo kina gwese ya ga bi tenye di apa wa wuwe o yen di ever wa wuwe forever permit no. Viedo give you. Now wetin our Benin people they do for Germany be this now. I don't know about another country. Now our Benin women they do now. I mean they all carry belle. They go take the piece, the injection. Make the picking. Make it not be may not be normal picking. So they will use that one they collect they go. Government not go pursue them. That one a special picking. They will use the carry they go. Carry they go. And the money when they pay special picking for Germany go ask is the highest. They receive highest. Now that government can't tell you the paragraph where hold that picking. Why be said the picking be like that? Like say the picking a normal person. Like just like though, yes. Like say the picking maybe for the pilots, maybe for the doctor, maybe for the then they call it the paragraph to cover that picking for you. So that make our Benin women long throat don't start. They don't start them already. They don't start them. They know the mess where they take. I don't want to talk. They don't start them. Once they don't take them, the picking don't be like this for Sarah. When they carry they go forever. They don't care. Zero. So anything you take test Benin people math. Finish. Unero like finish. They go take out to trademark. They go even get that number for inside. Bini women. Bini men. Ah, Bini man go dey si wife go carry mark go say e pala ladien. He mo marry. Bona we godfather go you know man no very black e phone. Na phone go take color for road. Oro wala o ladien boneni ode when yon ze ma pego wa when yon rige va ire man do bege we ware bakuni la o we fo ye select money for we ring or the ring bodo no one on your phone. Really, the husband go come off for SARS. So you read back on the so you lay. Everybody guy who high for me. Okba. Okay, the lawa. Why you got we are ke? We lawa we love. Any woman do we go me come when obia. Our view ya here na learn do one. They don't want to work. Everything they just want everything free. Even so, that fear even when where or that fear or give when na the they don't care. Mami alafia ni ala w ala kele gini ya malala urinya seto o se yago wani ya bolo 1972 yago ya gowa ya mami go ya metene ya ke radon le ya ke last ka check up mami ya mami go ya ko renovate so part of the kwa because those money they are all not good anymore o ko wo da fola je wo wa ya o mo be lawa. Wari star me wari double tap yo wari like yo ne mare do we saga de saga no sine ho ye veri I mare do we saga go do go wago because ka wa kan we me maka like saga I don't want saga but wa we do saga ya wa to ya wa vale e ba nya kai ibulegbe ya you suck by I will not leave one place or touch your body I touch la le babari Ide dorbe kelewe akiza meme Francis iye ya webu aboni ye wa me se esaga wa le tono sada wa ebragi owe that is it it's a circle if not be you today if it be you tomorrow if it be you even come color they enter one chance for social media color always voice that you want nobody voice we want voice that one okay one I want me drag here abulegbe yawa it social media na ye eri waje so now one person they start and the other people go copy now one person use the mama start another people copy now one person use the pikin start another people copy
but they not pay oh you not go fit finish you don't know them. Now one person one single mother for abroad take care of her as I they tell you so now let 3 women marry.
Okay. And the yoke.
For abroad, the rest na single mother.
Eriyo, not be lie.
Husband and God they take care of them. Now so it be anything where I go today. Now so my people they don't. I mean know my people. They don't tell what's your mother sing that song. Now I mean know my people. Dangote, if you pay anybody billion for that our Edo State, now they say if you say 100 trailer come Edo State, 90 will jump people. Even their mama and they take grandmother when they say when they feed, when they don't know what they want to do, throw put for you front of your motor. Now your motor will be the latest making of money now. Dangote, what Edo State go look at Iyama, sumo ashawo when they say that people do for them. They turn out to waiting government could they arrest people for Nigeria. Yes. As Lagos don't do a shower, you don't see government go arrest them. And when people do a shower sote 9 o'clock in the morning, they know they go ask. They will still they do a shower whether they do for night. They turn out to daytime. But married woman go a shower for night because they say no money.
You hear her? That is the truth. That is the fact. Even mother when they breastfeed pikin. Once pikin don't sleep, don't give her volo 5 may you drink. One one you don't go. Otilo. Yekba. Before she go even follow the man, go them. It gave away apple last 2 years when the woman follow man go ass. He give the pikin sleepy thing. he not come back again. The woman never come back. Bless the country, the mark, buyer. My the woman, we don't give a married woman now they tell you so. Husband they abroad. Husband they abroad. They send her money. They are not satisfied. Leave picky for sucky picky. Don't look at for just give her that thing sleep. If you give them one rope, they go take that thing. But not just only that. It don't take away dagolden motor. They back people sharp. They will say if recently, because me I don't know whether their new way to take end Nigeria people life be that. That is the truth. Apart from this part which they talk about, the way I say this and true. So me I say believe say some of all these Boko Haram people, they say they drive this Dagote trailer and you to the back people they go. We'll put that one join. Enjoy. Because every day, if you see the way happen now, I don't know if you watch that video when I see it. All 80 sit up. Everybody where they go. Every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. If not be here, go be there. If not be there, go be there. Only the day that road. So, but all things being equal. If other probability say one person does start wanting for Nigeria or for those states, Otilo says it don't go. Then they withdraw. Now so the government be. Government just start from one thing, then they go back. You would say government increase food today, say this food down today at 16 naira. And before that 15 naira. They call the sell at 17 naira. At the end of the day, maybe government call it can and go back to even 15 naira. They're not many people, they're not going to reduce them again. They'll tell you saying as the same price is CB. They go they go. They don't reduce them. They need to enter Nigeria, enter Benin, and they go back. Go price one cup of ogbolo. Go price one cup of busi. Go price them now. They'll go give you story or top.
Since he now get the spirit of betrayal, since he now be betrayed, very dark man, because of the promise when that go say promise her, my people, not be smart, not do more. Now you call later pass back, say not stand on the ground, say, this TV. Hey Jenny, let them say, Edo State don't play happy. Nana, you want to talk about? But when you know, say, don't bring her come max, shame and disgrace, don't envelope them. Mama Elizabeth, you see, say, bad thing, no, they always have to people. Now, bad thing, they have to. Mama Elizabeth, you see your heart? When Elizabeth is not walking and talk to you. When Pastor Dogel is no boy, Pastor, I ain't using not talk, walking and talk to you. When Elizabeth is Pastor get walk when walking and talk to you. Useless woman. See the way you they talk for life because of money. Now, so happy. Now, it's a very small of them, but they push you up, enter down, go to motor. Because there is nothing you guys cannot do. More than the year. Yes, I love money. More than the year, but the evidence where very dark man get. Jesus, easy, what do you they gain? Easy, what do you gain by this? What did that man do you? I know, say nobody where no day body. But where do you think you are shall we be a yanemon? Suno Kahili. If God don't look for person way when you go say you know now. No, now, and you know take away you now. You know repent. You know be good person. Why God want use you? Now your papa juju they use you so. Your papa darkness then carry you for your ass. And you will not go scot free. And say very dark man fair do you. If you not do you, everybody they do you don't see they go. You come to say now you go just there they don't carry you don't see that they feed. They will go me and feed me. Jesus. Why now? You just sit down, hate somebody, hate. The next thing, you just start to hate him. They look for everywhere when you want to shame and that shame and this being your portion will be Elizabeth. That's your way. Easy ogbeide. Easy below your birthday. Or you soon le no po. Upon no money and the and listen up Elizabeth. The pastor no one call me, you're not a bastard. You know go back with you. You know go back with you. Oh, heaven will say that. You know if you be saved. No, when you give birth. Mama Elizabeth. Where go the clean shit of the days of her life because that is what she prefer. That is what she prefer. See, money when you even give her, don't believe on you. Now, you say you have that same money. Use that same money and use that be cool as a code and get £10, $10, €10 back. Now you they do have Ava, the money where they give you for that Ava. Now you say to Mama Elizabeth, you know, his son, you. Two of you now, you come the record, they come, they tell you nonsense. You can't start to the cry. You say, people go, they say, people, more than not for video. You see anything, donation begging for social media. Not try them. 419. The people, they are not even concerned. They are not even concerned about their fitting. They are so concerned about avenue to shop money. Look at this Mama Elizabeth. This one, I go even see person where go say, Madam, let us pray for your daughter to be healed. She not prefer that one. She prefer this situation of Elizabeth so that she go use after the shop money. They go, wow. Mama bastard Elizabeth and Mama 419 Elizabeth. But useless set of people. My people, more than hear what very dark man talk. My people, now don't hear what very dark man say happen. Which can be this one? You see Mama 419. No, Mama Elizabeth the 419. We go clean my short shit forever. You, because of money, you never know the shit when you go clean forever. Easy the Mama bastard of UK. I shower the back. You see as they take play you. Even they have that money, you see as Mama Elizabeth the 419 take play you. You they ask her today, you hear very dark now, he said no, because you want play you for one. No. Nah, Fina.
About politics.
Fina, when we with the papa go come fight for this social media. We will go use Fina, Papa, and Fina family, they create content. Una know as Fina family be when it comes to money, with the weight. After Dangote go don't use una do 3 years protocol. Dangote not pay or if you pay, now so they go they push people enter your motor. Now so they go they do one. If you pay this one, now so that all of them every day now your motor will come the gas accident. People go they jump enter. They go call condemn person for their family, make it go jump enter, make they follow them enter. You see now it's not about the injury, the accident, the life, the real well-being of their brother and sister wey get accident. It's all about the money.
Now that one me know now that part me don't understand. We could say 1 billion, maybe they give them 1 billion. I don't understand. Person their life, you are requesting for money. You were not requesting for the life of this person. You were not requesting for the health care of this person. Like flying abroad or flying anywhere, you know, it can be well taken care of. Even Nigeria, there are more hospitals there. It's why you don't get the money to pay. There are more also, and like now they say they get to children where feel that no one make it come out. I don't know what she they hide. And the man where they say the girl bought for where they with her, I said that the man they supposed to get for school. It was the girl last statement they play and with the video and I was like shocked. Even feel that not even go see stuff for hospital. This is the way she they shout they find money so. And she went from back go meet mechanic go repair your car for free. For VDA head. You might be now one person they start something they turn out to I don't know who say na competition. Who they pursue and they go. Who now they follow the competite. Who now they follow the drag land. God I beg you. God I beg you. God I beg you. I beg you.
You can do this all her. Is this not your voice record? Your voice record was very weak because you picked the call. You did not know it was very dark now. You say, when you now know it's me very dark, you say, because for them we are doing, because he will do everything, make everything very, very delicious. Hello?
See, don't start gossip me, gossip video where they just post mama for sending the bad man and waiting happen to finish sister for them.
I beg, send me the link. Send me the link. Oh, Fina want to, Fina say bad man don't die. Because he won't be his sister. Don't go take don't pay. They go bring any casualty for you. They go they push their people for not so you don't know Nigeria people. Celebrity even worse. Very dark man come on for anything. Celebrity they get their own platform. No try and begin. Let this thing now take her like if something not happen to you for no know. I go come for your advice. My people now yes so Mama Elizabeth, the 419 woman. When go call her the bastard Mama Elizabeth the bastard for UK. I shower when on make her. You just they sing a shower they go. You don't make her. Oh, how many Obama take on the billion? You see the 419 where go do that woman today. Is it saying they do big thing? You can carry money.
Ah, wow,
1.500 euro, 25.000 euro, 8.000 euro, il doppio di uno stipendio media.
Perché?
He quickly carry money. He got the using money that they do I service law, and they don't scam am. Make una stop I service law because many people what they do am for. They go shop una money for body. Thank you for this time, darling. Jesus Christ. See the waiting you be paint very dark man today. Mama Elizabeth we go clean heavy solid shit forever. You go clean shit like bed sheets forever. Eh? Then they question you today. You turn very dark man to bad person. Person we don't know you before. We just come. Government they come. Bring account come with the bill. May they pay you. You go send account. May they put the money. So you want use your pikin now. They do a single niva bill. I trust Nigeria. No matter the money we issue now, must keep poor. Nigeria economy must happen to now. Asa una no be genuine. Because very dark man we put it like there. They contain genuine for una life will go seek confession. Enter Fina body. Fina say, let me say the truth. Don't go tell people did not say they don't want you. I don't know how to put it in words. They say you disgust them. You see that very dark man was not lying when he started ignoring your call. No need. Because na pikin when you hear, I don't know I will tell you. Very dark man will be baby now. Because
yes.
They say they do this for you know what they do. Now so now they do. For this social media, not the so now they do. Some people when they hear, as you go do rich, you not go fit forward God has blessed. Fina later confess. Fina confess say. Fina later confess, say very dark man. When they call me, they say you are disgusting, they don't want you, they don't trust you, they don't do this. But yet, you will still say, bro, I wanted to call you to tell you something. So you wanted to deceive him. God not agree. God not agree. You see this thing when you do to very dark man, and you see who join you. Jesus. The people when you go do one too, and then you go they do for life, they go up there, for this your dirty way work. You not gonna confess now. You not to say very dark man, you not gonna pick your call because he don't the best. Because now only Mumu know I will tell you come. Very dark man know the girl of Tango take way come, the way they happy. Later now you want to talk. You say they say they don't want you. Very dark man already know say you are the bad girl. Then he suffer come on to your leg.
And he hands.
Hello, una the ring. I dey live. I think say na ring. Later. I deal with my mobile. Okay, my people. Fina, you can't deny. I can't call now. Look at it, I was calling because you know that this type of thing will happen. You be cooler now. You be thief. Now you make your junior one don't get 2 children. You still they do a shower for Lagos. When blessed talk and say now shower you they do for Lagos. People can't say na lie. See you now. You they call Izzy, they give you connection of a shower Italy, not UK. Be useless game. See, I was because we are doing alibi. What you put the call alibi? What if FBI they call alibi? You know why you be a calling? You know what you deliver to a very dark man. Say if you know he said the thing go better. That's why you come by the court. Me you take keep alibi. But later you not come go with the exposed person. If 4 person not exposed, you not come talk. You talk. So when you know, say he did. They use say Dangote motor, take load money from now. That money now so you go. I'm going to no cacao with for egadaji. You go see now. Now that money go pay for now. Food when on the benefit person. For this one when you use very dark man they do. Fina, you call the door say I was funny, was not picking, but you already said the truth today. That is disgusting. They don't want it. Then why are you calling? You wanted to deceive me the more. When the guy did not pick, you not pick it as an alibi. And you know that the alibi is not true. Where? Where? Why don't you say, oh, I give me your son. Oh, what a giant son. Where? The person let's see the clean out there. They laugh. What about the one way to the jolly son from the Lord? Father, I cover myself with Jesus. Wow, wickedness. Papa, they are wickedness. Make I not come they look up like blessing. Blessing go they talk, go they look up, go they look up, me go they wonder, not be weak, they talk to why you they look like the same. Look one years ago. My people,
Nigerians the craze, bro. Nigerians are crazy, fam. Bro, so
listen.
I went on on Facebook.
Listen.
And I saw that they posted something on Instagram that the mother of that girl waiting for that hospital, that Dangote victim for hospital. When Edo State government
just listen to when very
and she's crying that she has been abandoned. And I thank that man, no pay bill, according to the story. Now, it's a good place that they keep evidence because Nigerians are so predictable, bro. What the fuck?
You see,
record them.
You also record the test for those cyberspace because of this type of grateful people.
Record them.
Make it rules and
Record their nyash. Record them.
Who no need to make no come. In short, this type of thing said no involve yourself again, the first and the last. Carry the one way into your mind. This one way that they call compensate for his hand. Follow me, ayabu. Many people where they call for this abroad say, hello, you be the say, come now, come on, they go, no one see here, they come back. They buy them. When you're not ready to do something, okay, wait, mama. When you're not ready to do something, don't let us call you put. Very dark man, get your own agenda. You see the agenda where useless go for nothing fina no few go eh. Fina no kisan the bio. Fina the right media don't be on the social media. Fina ni family organ ya you tell you get Dangote. Make we useless get. You see the way where be take call you come for us. You run and not be your TO. You be don't go to a kidnapper. Very dark man. Go and find say that thing when you do report it. You think say your mama look and say report. As you be kidnapper the day inside they come they do say one of your leg now they come shoot. Now good thing with that. Sometimes something when you not plan down, something when you not plan down, if person call you put now trouble that they use and see. This social media we go sit down our own day our day. They go they bring to you go. Now go you they see from inside. Meanwhile, the one when you're ready to come out for yourself, you go succeed. You not go see any go.
At all.
Very dark man from today. Any agenda where you not plan down, don't let any friend call you put not do. Do this your work is not for condition. Now only Jesus then they lead you what you want to do for people. No use until do I love. In short, very dark man. Be careful of the people you say, I love. Look at what love is. People that love Jesus, that buy Jesus. Look at Fina. It's only Fina now. You don't ever talk before. You go say, I don't care. I know they look face. I know they look papa. I know they look mama. But now only Fina now you say, Fina is somebody I love. If you don't buy you this morning.
Just so take back.
If you don't send you to easy, carry our chats. Which we now not gonna get our own mind. Say we never see for life. Say friends and people where we want to do help to never shoot come for our eye. She be with no no say this thing where Fina do. They know they do person. Say Fina we mawe. Now we not show the majority of we no feel good. We no feel good. Where? You go come person for where person sit. Then you nearly go die. I see that it's not enough. You are so concerned about the money where your papa go die. You know this will make control whether you call your sister or your papa.
Please double tap my screen.
Shine. Every mother, every father.
Yes.
The spirit when they follow very dark now they go. You go inside your papa. You go love money pass you go dark you go. Where you go? Everywhere up where you go. But me get go tell who will alert in the newspaper. And we go to tell you a family na hand take behind bets. Well no one. You go can see you with that. No you can feel only feel it. You can oh baby roll you can go. Then tell you trick to take very dark man come for your house. Go buy for inside bush. When you protect buy if they help me help with it since now people they control. Fina, you carry I love you, bro. You use that betrayal. You go see what it is and go tell money go turn from the head. Watch and see. Say na national TV will go come out. Say the whole family where can go take pay for. They have killed themselves. Their papa gathered them for night because of money. Where? Who man na family who na pay why dem get am go tell am. Who just with a very dark man here. Who ya no be share what I was saying no. Do ma kun me e pe no anjo. Who ya no can talk with family, who can talk with now? Who can rest in that me? What you know? Hey, my people wanna they listen to how Mama Elizabeth say answer very dark man. We thought where you don't want to receive sometimes. Everybody they receive for where you mistakenly put now normally you don't want to answer that person. You know how they be. If now Abi una want to say this woman don't stop very dark man name got true for that day when Fina never tell and say Tinya if I back from who. He go no be an accident. He accident. The bio. Feel that in which your family never carry you when you go call for me, you go narrate and you take up your sister for awful. Because this one and you chop your sister, that's why you the pay school fees. You know what you they do. That's why your sister now you don't shop for inside of you. You the way for the money. Me, I swear, the spirit of kill and ya push it out. And I go. Oh, what is wow. Where? If you not fungu. Oh, shackle chain, your lay. Your junior sister don't go to. You never enter house now. You never see my way carry you. You say you wise. They look for money, they go. Because of your money, when you pour out for your sister money, when you don't show for all food, you not make up again, you not compare. No fitter.
Margaret, you want to remember again?
You know the enter life. Una yet the woman, come over the bed, we're kidding. Mona yet the woman. You want to say the woman, no, say, he not stop very dark man, man. He mistakenly pick up.
Your body gets instructions from your mind and acts accordingly. Be mindful of what you feed your mind with.
My people, you know, they say, oh, iye-eki, oh, please stop. Pity Fina. Pity Fina, how?
So that we're not pity her sister with their bed.
Hallo, wir von Echo24 helfen Ihnen so. Sie füllen das Formular aus und dann erhalten Sie von uns ein...
Costellos. Eh? Feel not bother for his sister. Not the saga anybody, but what would you
be say you go the take gram when you enter. If you no go enter, you will get on your pity.
Yes, no.
Since 3 days, now everything we I don't do very dark man. Now waiting very dark man supposed to still again name.
No.
If not because a very dark man, papa and mama just born am. Never saw get betty man. They told me so get betty man. You what kind of water? Now very dark man, I say fina. Maybe sister go enter dagolden moto or make dagolden moto come on ya. They tell me fina. Go they call very dark man. Why you not call now? Why you not call all the social media people? Why person wake up working for us? Make you come. You almost want to win your career when they tell me something. I bet not they do like that. But they cause if you get paid, not to pay on another people. Not put your pay because say you feel say my sister condition. Shut up your mouth, you know if you go Not very dark man, I push your sister. When a very dark man can hear, I want to pay for your sister. You when your father go buy you. When your father go buy you because of this. Your father never go buy you. He get down to tell you bed one. My family went to your bed. As if a place you should you know what you do. You know what you do when they bless me. Please, my lover here. You know say I want to play with that kind of thing. No be me carry your leg when you fall. When you come fall, you go on the drum and let me fall with you. I know they like it.
Okay.
Or I want to do good for you. You go want use my head to pay. Why?
Not possible.
Why? So if not be say very dark now. Now person when they record. Now person when on the shop right. Now person when they talk what you talk for us and then they talk for back. Assuming a person like all this European man I'm here. People when go talk one for front, go talk two for back. You won't be never finish. See the way you take on for them because Fina go gossip with Izzy. Now that person that they talk say, pretty sister, nobody should tell me that, please. Pretty sister for what? Now very dark man charm his sister. If you go take up then you go put another person. If I go here, Fiakule wife in and feel good. Who does that? See this money before Izzy carry that woman put for line. You know yes, Izzy talk say, Fina say, very dark man no even collect the woman number. Wait, this is a very dark man. I can't even they draw the woman. Give me account number. Give me account number. Bring me. The woman Fina they tell us say no collect this one. Or wait, that go take come pay one bell. In the dango ten why here we need up. In the dango ten why her son the bio. Not they talk like that. If you the pity Fina go. Not the pity for that. Say don't leave me alone. Why pity Fina? That's the way no you go the spider. You want a reason and because all of us put our life on social media, sometimes not me say, make una know the pity us when something is really not right. Now they will get blood. Now una the pity. What of another person when you destroy without it not bleed? Wait be very dark now or face for you say Fina and family calamity. Not be happy they want go ahead. Wait very dark now can't do now. Just because he say add Okada man join him. Finish. Fina no want share money. Fina no want tell Nigeria the truth. Fina no want me anybody know anything. You know say very dark man from go talk everything the way it happen. Fina no wants. Fina want me be say na only your family. Dangote. I'll do another video. I will explain to you Dangote the reason why you should not pay good money. Do it protocol. We get them for abroad here. If abroad don't want any law to stray, they will be do protocol. It will do 3 years no head no pay. If you should, that's the way they do for you. You will do for streets. No head, no pay. Dangote, do protocol. After It's not purposeful. I
beg, not talk that one word. Because
for you to pay that money to judge, make the case adjourn. Who be finna? If not be that man and big social media people, who be finna when one fit talk to Dangote?
No fit.
Not to talk on useless who for nothing, failure finna, ashawo finna, agbe with finna where we can fika, you know finna see how I get the senior you where senior no fika. What you are going? And let's see what you
are. We what?
What is very dark man come to you? What do you?
That one.
As it goes say, since I be probo na they call and say, I go beyond. Make we add Okada man. You can say, bro, no, please. Okada man, make just do you. I beg, bro. Make I tell to my sister, you they forbid to be honest. Why you go back? Why you see the betting the way they give to Edo people make God punish you because of Edo make the fear where you be they raya back boy. See I you when they new one make an Latin where ya bele boy working no. Or I bury my boy. My sister no get to my sister no get but you want to take money on top of it. Inside person we no get to we no get nash and you the height you baby father. Fina you no go back with you. This matter we go accuse Sarah. You if you get the money only pay your man say any am buy one wa tell you. Now so everybody do very dark man. You go see and cry too. You say he can't tell you say you they cry. You for not cry. You for the laugh. You see you. What's your one? What they get what you want and you say very dark man. Tell you say make you call and make go help you. Everything when you take on, who you go and but we go. You go chop the money, go finish. Very dark man will continue to do it good. You know go finish. Good name better than riches. If you know who ungrateful elements. Now so blessed to us and I help you when you go where you go. You come back, you say you come fat. That one's supposed to be sign where everybody's supposed to take run away from you. What is it? Then they hear you see by fire, Marima. Mona, that come.
Hello.
Yeah, madam, good evening.
Did you hear it? Did you hear we hear she discover it was very dark man voice? It can't just be like, my lady, you say Monica, do you have personal issue with Fina? Yes, I have personal issue with betrayal. I have personal issue with ungrateful people. I have a very, very personal issue with people where the one use me take back. I know the like person where they use person take back for you. So family
not good.
You don't care whether it's where you want. You know good.
Please double my script for
yes, I don't need to get personal issue with Fina. Fina get personal issue with very dark man. Where they do for men, where they do for woman. Where not they do by your very dark man of face for Fina. Now go do by your very dark man. Don't do by your like Fina where they do by your for woman. His sister there for husband house. He said his sister a single girl. His sister there with man. Go see her. They take pictures so abanda together. Fina say his sister a single girl. He dey deceive now. And this is saying the fight. He know that person where they deceive person. What about Fina? Fina's sister get two papa, two children confirm. The first boy 5 years where Fina's sister get.
Mommy's here.
This one boy when newly born for this new person where the dad stay house. He there with them. How Fina go come outside come tell us say it's a family secret. You bear family secret, but you want all of us voice to go bring money where your papa want to buy you. Because your papa must buy you for that money. You bear. Now that person you they say I get personal issue with. What are you saying? After calling very dark man from inside your heart, may fly down. You don't know say that journey. Very dark man spent 10 million. People they sang and put. And you never see video where they want and they are batting not better way. You don't hear the one where they crap who say he spent money 10 million. If this ungrateful element feel and not call and come up for us like that. He go spend that money. Or that man, they for not shop for they for not sleep for hotel, they for go look for hotel for his hour past sleep, papi. Then they usually can't take him the water beds. Now that one will talk say yes. Now humanitarian. All the boys will follow him. They if not feed them. You know how much it be to take carry plenty people they follow body. Money where they dash them, you spend them. Yet to call and come up for us. They still give information where they take from them. He's saying rates very dark man from 1,000 to 0.0. Waiting very dark man don't do it. Just because he want money, they gather jealous. Now they say I get personal issue with me. Which if they turn up, all of us they use this social media. You when not don't get what they do for social media. social media. Then they help one or two person. You go call the fall and they call and thief, they call and liar. Wait, be say everything when you they talk, you get proof now. You don't get proof. Fina talk say I call the call and you know people go look what Fina right today. Fina say, the truth of the matter is very Dangote people say you discuss them, they don't want to see you. Now me even try to call up you come they talk say and then you don't go. So why were you calling to say you were calling him? When even before you go, you already knew that is disgusting. That you and your Dangote people don't need him there. Then when you now went, you were not calling for alibi. So that you go get something to a judge for social media fake. Then after Fina come they do this one, Fina come, he come deceive us again with crocodile tears. Now this one I really don't know where some people will say even if they cry, they know they take matter from your hands. Now, when they share crocodile tears, Fina come and carry that chair. Look at it now, bro. Why do you do like that? I was calling you. You never answer, bro. When you don't really want to talk the truth, he say, I just got do all those ones. You were nobody, you were no need. I regretted calling you. Can you imagine? Crying and telling us that it was real tears. Why were you crying and telling us that I called you never be when you know that it was fake? You know that after you tell her you must vex because not be picking when you know why when they tell you come. You come by the call. You come by the call. Why? Because you know say social media will ask later. After you don't do that one, you come on social media, come they talk, they put her up with your juju boy. They talk, they put her up. That but I know they fast you. That which power you get when they want to listen to you. Even not you when I hear when they are going to borrow me. How when you are seeing iye-eki. That's it when you can't look for very dark man. So now your head now it will happen. Your hustle, your family back to say that now it will be for now. Share my this bread now you take cars. Because men and women go bad way. And then anyway, also I am way go talk. You know say you really don't talk it.
For me, in that aspect, if Dangote go fit do the burial of that girl, number 1. 2, they'll put the 2 children for scholarship. 3, they'll put fees, deposits, and match for the 2 children until they become 20 years, not before 18. Until they are 20 years before they can get hold of that money. If those children die before 18, the money will return back to orphanage. Yes, now. That's why I think they judge my own case. Because the way I see this family, yeah, hooray. If you're not going to 1 billion, if you're not going to 1 billion, you are dead really clear.
You know, nobody call. Me, no, I don't want to pick. And you by the call, so that you know when they go come judgment and you say, but I was calling you, but you don't know what you do to me. Say you calling on me, waiting there your heart, I know. See today now you can't talk truth. You talk truth. So why were you deceiving the whole social media and crying? I was calling bro was not making. You wanted to deceive bro more. You wanted to have recording more. Make this thing pass here now. You get recording of very dark man. You too will get recording. You never want to play that one because you never lie for your body. I wish you lie. You don't play the original one. You too you record.
Wow! Oti bagboshi. Oti wala not bele wala.
Do you not record this soon? Do you not record this we were both fear to the when in every bill of them who can shower no whole water in the I shower with water. Why bell no yashago feed the refugee feed the husband of the city go in UK. Why worry about me all like be all like be. Eliana ya UK ya also in easy also na easy come and be home and the but man we piano. Let's even not getting to we see you see they see very dark man says you know they see very dark man as we came we go create they see bola kasaba. But person to tell now say I carry I am useless, I am potopoto. What did you expect from them? You are taking those things as a joke? Somebody will say, I can't care for head, I can't care for eye, I can't care for mouth, I can't then I don't. What do you think? If you go there, now so care they see you. Any talk when you talk now, I bring a complaint. What fuck is silly out for you? Woman with the fuck for yours in present. Now you want to talk say very dark man. Person will not get truth honesty. Person will not get integrity. He don't have integrity like baby. He go praise you, finish, go use one, start to they jealous you. That's the way the jealous people when they live for Nigeria. Not be juju be that. No be juju be that. If na only free healthcare when you get for year, Nigeria get am for life. If na only child benefit when you get for year, so this now when your children get for life to take go school. I said they don't go, as you know also go. What do you want jealous person where the Nigeria for? If you like, they give them 101 million. You don't know what you want use to do. What do you want jealous for? Easy where the jealous person where the Nigeria. You they make pants, you the jealous who they make naira. When I just listen to the college, right?
What you feed your mind with.
Just
Your
listen.
body gets instructions from your mind and acts accordingly. Be mindful of what you feed your mind with.
Hello.
Yeah, madam, good evening.
Hello, very. Now.
My name is Very Dark Man.
Yes, sir.
I don't try.
Did you yet hello when you don't know who was calling? When you pick the phone, emergency. And when you can't hear who is calling, did you hear a voice? Now this one I say I want to donate for. Why are you going to I want to use money to sadaka for? People when don't use their children take shot for this house. They finish their picking finish for their coffee. They shop them. Try for often shop them. Can't use your money that they do. You don't see who you want to give your money to. This is now everybody where they social media they do baby. Nah, many not digital beggar.
Yesterday I call you miss my call, you don't call me back.
You hear them? You hear them? Person where really needs help. Very dark man can't call them. You don't call them back. You don't call back. This one a person where God no promise. You don't call the contact back. Why? If they wait for the one where fin and tell and say no worry, don't go take the come for all. Una go help me, don't go take for video we I go do later. Don't go take don't pay or use protocol. Protocol, give the 200,000 naira first. Say I will be back. Come today, come tomorrow. Let this case go on to 3 years, no answer. You understand? So make them bring the bill of their sister's school fees home. No matter the two of them, how Nigeria school go to reach. You know go reach 1 million safe 18. Now that one you said they pay the case go they draw. Not pay for damage, pay for damage for what? Is it something you purposely did? Feel like they fear war. If you not feel where want to say that will take pay for my sister leg. Now you break her. Not the accident. Make you bring the children come now. The children when they go school. That go tell you go they pay for school fees. No pay, no settle up of your SMS when tell you say na me shop. What do you want settle for? Now you cut her. Not be more to cut her. Now purposely make we go to one for court case. Come today, come tomorrow, you not go finish for ground. Now go there, go tell you how we go to the do one for you. They go use the matter tire you. You go see court case. You not go again. You go rest say I know they go again. Because every day now, come today, come tomorrow, they not go pay you.
No call me back.
You see, you not call her back.
No. I called you during the day. Maybe now my friend called you the other time. I called you during the day so that me and you will talk this talk direct. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. The government, they wanted to pay the money to the hospital. I tell them, say no. Say me, now you they pay. Then they send to you. So that's why I was calling you. To give me your number, the account number, I'll send it straight to them. And if they want to give, they'll calculate, they'll send it to you. You go pay. Now so the thing will be. I cannot hear you.
That one a person we really need government help. That one not be people wait on to Don't go take people. Don't go take you. I am telling you, especially in the doorstep, don't pay them. Before you know they're going to put your picking for your motor. You don't know they all. Now one person they start wanting Yahoo, all their children turn to Yahoo. Now one person using my market shop money to reach you for beginning. All of the finish, they almost finish their mama. Now one person first say begin go Italy today. Go check any as if they see as well they don't get 7 Italian. As you want start on the pay them billion for person where enter your motor. Now they say, oh, those states they go they go extra picking now. One where they go throw away put for front of your motor, make you go they pay them. You don't know them. Anything where they do they like it. They go that go they not pay oh. You not go finish am, you don't know them. Now one person one single mother for abroad take care of her. As I tell you so, now only 3 women marry for abroad, the rest now single mother. They get husband and come there, they take care of them. Now so if anything where I go today, now so my people they don't. I mean know my people. Don't take what's we're gonna sing that song. Now I mean know my people. Don't go tell if you pay anybody billion for that our those states. Now they say if you say 100 trailer come to those states, 90 go jump people. Even their mama or the grandmother when they say when they feed when they don't know what they want to do, they'll throw me for you front of your motor. Now your motor will be the latest making of money now. Don't go tell what those states go look at Iyama. So in the morning, they know they go ask. They'll still they go ashawo. Ashawo what they do for night. They turn it to daytime. But married woman go ashawo for night because they send her money. That's 2 hours. Not pay anybody, 10 penny or 1 big. For that state. Bet. If not be so accident, you want to go there. Buy it. You don't know when they will come put their idea there. They're going to go and smash children now. They will come one. Dangote. You get as it goes strong, they go throw me for a motor, and they'll take it.
I know there was no boy picking the you never be Dangote, and they don't want to wait for. Yeah, you're not going to wait for this one to come out. Well, is it a boy picking? They're going to call a Dangote. Dangote. Now we have the call and Dangote, make people not suspect. Say, Dangote. Unja.
Defina, even I saw Wapa, because I got touch truth of Dangote. I got touch truth of the time where Big Brother show they pay people 100,000 or 50 million. Now almost 90 those they get and go. When the newly start, they don't know what they do. When they come out, they do 19. Now you just go say, we go naked, we go do anything, they'll focus like we don't care. And we back on them. Now, but they not try them. Not try them. Otherwise, the one where they Benin City, you go come they live for Aunshi. Because you go see, say, Aunshi trailer don't get, Dangote trailer don't get accident for Aunshi, no, they go Benin. One of them will move from Benin, they'll come from Misha, go come from Ekpoma. Now, Aunshi, they'll come, they wait for your trailer. They go, they rush. Your trailer go, they jump 3 people, 5 people, one time. You don't go know how. Where maybe? When you go see people, the state where you go and ask. When a shower come international, go ask the state where finish them. When all presidents in abroad, they begin call for help. Go ask which states wanna. Go and ask. Call Germany. Say Germany, which country where single mother? You go tell you say Nigerians. Now you come to their land and they finish single mother. Single mother. One of them get the letter, they don't get husband. You never see something.
And the husband would follow the base house.
See this UK. Ask UK people. Wait till bring pre-exit come. When Poland they come, they don't lock them. Bulgaria they come, they don't lock them. UK Syria they come, they don't lock them. For the time when Nigeria people, especially from the state, all of the start to run from one country where they did. Now UK say pre-exit. Now they lock them. When we know they move from where we did before, they don't lock them. Now so we go do something, we go notice something is going on. Don't see care working. Don't see care work for UK. Don't see care work for UK. You get the bad people before. Make you conclusion. Right now, shit is very, very, very essential. Who might employ you? You don't fool. You don't say
even for here. Even for here, it's
fool. You never see something. Now somebody come talk and say na blood money. That's the end. They know they do another thing. And that's why UK know they do a shower. Nah, blood money. Now be their own. They don't lock now. They don't lock now. No, don't pay like that. Give the 200,000 naira. Can you be making money for your accident person to this extent? Betraying one another. Don't do it. Pay for defeating school fees. Their children, school fees, yes. School fees no go ever kill you. You no go buy you. Say every time let them bring the school fees of their children. If you like, let them pull for their children neck. You'll see in anybody where don't go take trailer jam now. They'll say now take children don't quick and go. The pikin go see the pikin where they will say you go senior person wait the ground wait Antuari that's katate bugrado. He said the person where they go say the person where it buy bon. Even that person go even see the person where it buy. Don't be lie. Everything will enter Benin people hand. I said they be. Even that time when Germany they declared children. I remember that year. Now even because of Benin people they stopped that thing. Now because of Benin people, now they test that the test when they go do DNA test, VB or children call this gem. Now Benin people now me they start them. I mean they tell you. Now me they this countryside. This countryside. Now Benin people. Like Kosa, where many things end for this journey. Many people. That's why they declare children. That's why you go sit down. You go carry children. Even people who never know, go say, you're right at that, go say, I get 8 children for Nigeria. 8. And even when they toss never born one. They go say, na 80 don't born for Nigeria. Even grandpapa, grandmama, go say all of their children. Even the one when my mother buy, papa don't buy, go say, see, get mama, get papa.
You go see the same money for them. So it is spoil and bet what other people they do and sis. The time when Ghana people they bring their sister married, they bring their call here. The thing no knock. When many people start, I know this one, you know this 6 months. Oh yeah, to be everywhere scatter. Even when this father shaft starts for this Dutchland, when never reach many people hand, the thing is solid. Now we don't have. If you don't say my baby papa, doesn't mean if you go bring DNA test for my city now. Not your poor body, not try and move, not try. People scatter everywhere. Does it go see somewhere go serve for 20 people? You go see that your body 20 children. There are 2 of them, all the baby mamas, the man will call the floor that they fight for the untired gid we government they give the children. But say bring out the tired gid and my money. And this same man they work for this country. E.g. Oyomba, Lanona. Ah? Lanona, Oyomba. No know how many people we serve for. So I go fight. They go they fight for kindergarten. They say the kindergarten and their money. Say the kindergarten you're not supposed to collect it. You don't say. They don't pay you. Come out here for kindergarten. You go say no. Now many people start to the fight put for this country. Go and ask. Anything way bad at all. When you say that body. Go and ask. Now many people now start and they generate. I hope so. I hope for you. Many people now. You want to remember? Now go and check your money.
Because of Dangote accident now, you don't betray very that man. We don't get error for now. Nobody finish for. What did they try? What they put in your picking for this thing like that? Say me picking contain whatever. Dangote, Facebook not they pay again. Same money where Facebook they pay now. See, she color. Facebook just they disconnect. You know why? Nigeria people. When Facebook not tell. You know, monetize Nigeria people. Everybody they receive money like this because of Facebook. People not going to work again. Can't work open. Nobody they work. Why you want to go work when you can sit here as I sit down? So this video can give me £400. If they post like you even reach almost 800 one time. You know what happened, Dangote? Dangote this video now. If they not post that, now free of charge it can't be you. Facebook not the pay. Facebook come out in leg and hand. You know when you say. Yeah, from next year, June, I monetize Nigeria. Just 1 year, wait till monetize Nigeria, join monetization of the whole world. That is the end of Facebook. Facebook die. Only God know why. Dangote, don't try it. Don't involve Nigeria in your business. Employ them. But you see this one, say, you join me, come pay money, don't pay. If you pay, they go finish you. Okay, now go there, they go finish you. Now Kwana, they go finish you. Now Kejia, they go finish you. They finish my sukabe.
Go there.
We employ everybody.
I don't know go there the survey.
Thank you, my darling. The year when Mike no fear, he can't Nigeria, he nasa from June 2024, Nigeria is monetized. From that year, everybody struggle. He reached this year, Facebook said, go right Facebook, no go search you. If you like, they owe you money. That money don't go. Don't see many of them where they sit down. They can't use the money, they take care of people. Market don't kill them. All of them now. Now normal thing they use Facebook. Shake your nash, just dance, do what is sweet, come for them. Nobody there. Or go kill your papa, kill your mama. He ain't for it, don't cyberspace. Now the day we don't die. He go rest for him, you go eat back. The one where they life, he go rest. You know why? You use your cooking and you don't use your cooking. Facebook not go pay you. Now everywhere go quiet. Everywhere come make door.
No,
but if you start to pay them, and they tell you, because even the single mother, they can't tell the same they go they work. So everything now government don't draw. If not there, they want to see money. They go they bomb the pikin extra for them to take trailer. They go put that one so no one down. One way will take make in 4 years time. They go wait for your motor. They go throw away their pikin for under. Go see Ireland, Republic of Ireland. 20 years ago, if you bomb pikin, will be like this. They will buy you motor, they will give you house, they will give you money, they will pay all your children, they will pay your husband, they will say, no, no, they receive almost $10,000. Because you won't be king, maybe like this. You know what Nigerians do for Republic of Ireland? Nigerians go, Nigeria, they go, they buy medicine where they destroy the people inside the land. Our Ireland, you know, Ireland 1 year, they can record almost how many thousands of women, all black, now so. Republic of Ireland can say this cannot be. What is going on? How can all black women just born children all the children.
Don't be lying. Now, so you still do for you, and I make the procedure for you too now.
Then they come do investigation. They come see say there was one medicine where they buy come from Nigeria. They go buy 1,000. That's the way go bring come from Nigeria. Start to they sell them for 1,000 euro. You go give the man 1,000 euro. You go give you the medicines. You get the leg. You go shop them. You go wait to when your belly 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. You go go hospital say you don't know say you be get belly. Do when they come check out, you want one. They'll start to the build on the house. They'll start to the give on a motor. Now Island come see say now so black women come just the point the children. Now Island come do investigation. They come find out say Nigerians go they shop medicine just to take the penny. Now they come to us okay now from this year. That is the time where it happened 20 years ago. Now they say any woman weapon, we don't need to pay you. We go collect the children. We'll go put them for where will they take care of them. You don't want that year, they don't see black woman like baby. Stop for the Republic of Ireland. The Republic of Ireland. If you read all the baby children, when they go see say government, not they pay them. All of them give the picking to government. Government go carry your thing. You see them. Then they don't try. You give somebody 1 billion for journey. Hey, you go wrong. You go wrong for what you don't stay go do you. Before you go reach the Benin side where you see all this so all those one where they call all this one where Finland no feel way for cons. So this family where they can fight on social media because of money. What did they go do? They don't go do any of that thing. After all, they are here and may not say they go farm. Now so on that trailer of them go try in Armenia. My people, I will be back. Wait me, I play this thing where they break up. If you say the deaf, you see the children like that. The time where government not cash them, my sister. Hey, make I not go use my mouth to talk about it. Now that they do party pass. If you see motor, now 3 years they don't change another motor. They will tell government say this motor not good for their children. Government will change them. If you see their house, their friend where they work not get that kind of thing. They say only more upon one picking all of them come they inject their picking. Whoa. They will inject their picking, they don't reach. They will inject their picking, they don't reach. Now they come over to
not be lying.
100 women.
Now so it be for Deutschland now. And it remains more now. Deutschland now don't do one pass one law now. At the end of this year, now go see the law go come out. Now go talk am. They don't pass am for parliament. Fino this year. From next year, now go to see shege. Nigeria people, Benin people, now go to see shege, barao banza. Now go to see for Deutschland people hand. The parliament have judged it. Even now go see black people now, so that picking had to be. They go collect all the children from now, push them through away. Now I would go work now. Money where they pay their big. You know, I like money. I like work. Not be to carry tissue clean their mouth. The one man be like this, I will repair and wear. Nothing done. I miss his spoiler. No, I go do stay away. I go use the whole land. If you want, I put on here, then I hear. You guess.